mean, what's these, spiders? I don't like spiders. Hey everybody, welcome back to another amazing tutorial, you guys. Y'all been dope. It's almost 1,000 of y'all in here. Y'all has been showing up and showing out for the kid. In this video, y'all, we're gonna be doing this amazing cut crease. This look was so fun. Explaining the products that I did use. I used a number of eyeshadow palettes, so I'm gonna try to put them in the description box, because if I didn't mention it in the actual video, I used a lot. But this is the look, y'all, and it came out so freaking pretty. If you want to know how I achieved this look, continue to watch the video. I really wanted to focus mainly on skin, so I'm gonna jump in with my liquid poreless putty primer by e.l.f. and I'm gonna start focusing mainly on my pores. What I recommend is a poreless primer, and I usually will use Milani's one. It's one of the 2 primers. This was my first primer that I used and I was so in love with. This is the Milani's No Pore Zone primer. It is very creamy, very smooth. The consistency is perfect for your texture, and it smooths out your skin like butter. So I would recommend this one. It's very affordable. I think it's like $8 or $9. This is the one I'm using now. This is affordable as well. This is their poreless liquid poreless putty primer, and if you ever use e.l.f. Putty primer, you know that is a bomb primer when it comes to tackling your pores. But this is more in a liquidy form. It's thinner, it's not as thick, so you can really feel the difference. Like I can feel the difference on my skin already just by using that primer. It's dope. This is absolutely optional. If you don't need 2 primers, if you feel like your skin is perfect with this primer, leave it alone. I'm going to use 2 different primers. The second primer I'm using is the e.l.f. primer, which is a power grip primer, and it's going to grip my foundation. And it definitely is very compatible with that e.l.f. poreless primer. So we're going to go ahead and place that right on our face. And this is just going to allow our foundation, it almost got me, to grip much better. And it really gives you like that hydrated, dewy look as well. So I'm gonna go in with my eyeshadow primer. This eyeshadow base is by Spike Beauty, and it's in the shade number 8. I'm applying it to my eyelid so we can go ahead and jump into the eye look. So I'm gonna use the Warriors 2 palette, and I'm gonna start packing this brown shade and start really packing that in. Now I'm gonna take another brush, like a smaller brush, and I'm gonna take a lighter brown. I'm gonna start blending that as well, and I'm gonna go right on the line. So I'm gonna go right here so I can just slowly blend out that line to make sure I don't have any harsh lines right there. Now, to ensure you don't have any harsh lines nowhere, just blend it outwards. I'm gonna jump into that dark color that's in that palette. It's not a black, but it's a very dark brown, and start packing that directly on my lid and my crease. And I'm gonna try not to go towards the brown at all. I just want to keep it nice in my crease. And I'm gonna go ahead and go in with that brown and start smoothing that out as well in my crease, making sure it's over as far as you can get it. Then you go in with the lighter shade and blend it. And we still haven't used black, so it's still kind of in the dark brown stage right there. I'm not gonna clean off the lid. I'm just gonna jump right into the base. It's a silver, y'all. It's a white silver. I'm gonna pack that on top of our entire lid. And turning this into like a bronzy color. So I'm using this shimmer out of this Upscale Face eyeshadow 18 Colors of Day and Night palette. And I'm going to start slowly bronzing these shimmers up. This is Donut that I'm using right now. Just like a light gold shade. And then I'm going to go into Mars. Mars is a very vivid gold. And I'm going to place Mars directly in the outer corner. Okay. And we're gonna clean up the sides. Clean up those sides. So now I'm gonna go in with my foundation. I'm gonna be using Lancome on my face. And I'm gonna just apply this in sections because most of my brushes are dirty. So I got the Expert Real Technique brush that I'm applying the foundation with, which I could have used a stippling brush. Yeah. I'm not a fan of the stippling brushes, but it gets the job done. With my concealer, I'm gonna be using Milani concealer and place that under my eyes, my T-zone area. Okay. Now I'm gonna go in with my contour, blend that out. Okay. Now I'm gonna take a Real Technique brush and start blending out my concealer. So I'm gonna be using my Crayon cream blush, and I'm gonna use this pinkish shade and place it right on my cheekbones. out my concealer. Was it Amazon or Ulta? I think I got this from Ulta. And it literally smudges it out already, so I love it. So I'm gonna take this green, it's called Grwm, out of the crayon case and smoke out this black. She got a hunter green in here, so I'm gonna use that hunter green to intensify that. So I'm gonna just jump right into that other green. It could be like, boop. Try to create a small inner corner. Defined. Of course, I'll be using my Spike Beauty lip liner because it's become my favorite. And this is in the shade Power. I overline our lips a little bit. Line my lips as well, which would make the it easy to blend in the middle. So the lip liner kind of keep it in one little area, where the concealer blends it better. And I'm gonna place that right on my lips, and then I'm gonna let that dry. I mean, what's these, spiders? I don't like spiders. So that's a no for me. Those are a no for me, honey. Yeah, so this is how the lash looks. This, and I just take this part off like that, and then I'm gonna, of course, cut that part off. Damn, honey. And how you focus on one thing at a time, baby. One thing at a time. Okay. It'll still look like it's gloss on the entire lip. You just got it on the brown part. In the middle to make it a little bit lighter. It's good. Continue to show your girls some love by smashing that thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not already done so. If you want to see more tutorials, and if you are interested in more makeup looks, y'all, that's my channel. Like, I got the looks for y'all. I got them up my sleeve. I also have a TikTok, you guys, so you can also follow me over there on TikTok. I usually go live over there on TikTok, but I've been slowing them days down because I've been trying to build my channel over here. But that is my main platform, so I have tons and tons of videos over there. If you want any look inspos, or if you want to go over there and see my transition videos, you can go over there on TikTok to follow your girl over there. I also have a Facebook page. I have two. Okay, 2 Facebook pages. Now I'm gonna probably get rid of one of those pages. Not sure which one I'm gonna get rid of, but until then, just follow both pages. I also have a Instagram. You can follow me over there on Instagram as slay_by Mika, so you can go over there and follow me over there as well. Just hit that notification bell just to be notified whenever I post new videos. And yeah,